He's on your lawn. Look at that. Mark's worked bloody hard to do this. Zoe loves it. She's quite grubby.
I think I'm ready for another beer.
You're third already.
Yeah, I have been working hard.
You have. House was a bit of a mess. Oh. Are you dirty, Zoe? Can you do roll, roll, roll? Can you do roll, roll, roll? Roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll. Back outside with Dad. Shut the door. Good girl.